In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add password to PDF file. It's totally free of cost. So I'm using I Love PDF. This is very drag and drop website. You don't need to spend any single money. So I use Chrome, then type I Love PDF, then going to this website. Then here are the lots of things you can use anyone. So you can see this is unlock PDF, then protect PDF. That's it. Add a PDF. So I click this option, then now I need to select this PDF which one I want to add this password. For example, I use this, then click on open, then here type my password. So I want to set it's 1234 again 1234. Then I need to repeat this password. So 1234 again 1234. Then you can see it's already match these two apps password. Now if I have a multiple PDF file, I need to just click on this plus icon, then here's the upload from computer, Google Drive and Dropbox as well. So I don't need and click on this product PDF, then no thanks. Okay, download protected PDF. It's easy method. Thanks for watching. See you again.